This is the bombing close to the airport. That it's just now when you're running down. This is the airport. Everybody is running away. They leave the luggage, and the bombs fell down really very close to the airport.
We're all taking shelter in the bomb shelter at the airport. What you're seeing here is all of us being sent. We were just going to go via the departure gate, but a warning has sounded now. We must all go into a shelter.
Not picture, please. Not picture.
So a warning has just been sounded, and we all have to evacuate and go into a safe shelter. There has been a warning at the airport, and walking down right now, this really tells you that you're in a war zone, because even at the airport we will send downstairs.
From the left side.
Okay. Is it here?
Yeah.
We're all taking shelter in the bomb shelter at the airport.